In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix NBA 2K26 unable to join cross-platform friends. So let's get right into it. First, open your social menu. For that, press LB plus RB on Xbox or L1 plus R1 on PlayStation. On the side, make sure that all of these options are set to open to all. That's the very first step. Next, if you don't see the option there, you'll need to head back to the main screen. From here, go into the features section. Inside features, open up the options menu. Now this isn't the same as the normal settings. Look for the crossplay settings in there. You can scroll down here and you'll need to make sure that crossplay option is turned on. Currently I'm playing on PC, that's why I can't see the crossplay settings, but if you are playing on Xbox or PlayStation, you might see the option there. If you are playing with friends on Xbox, PlayStation or PC, these settings needs to be enabled, otherwise you won't be able to connect. Once it's on, restart the game and you should be able to join your friends with no problem. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.